Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. This is just a quick one, really short one actually. I went to a car boot sale this morning and found myself a stainless steel number plate surround, which I had to buy because normally you only see the cheap plastic eBay ones, don't you? So this is like a vintagey looking one. So yeah, just a quick video of me putting it on, and people's opinion is what I want on running black pressed plates on cars that are not the right age. I know it's naughty, but how many people are doing it? Talking to you, Rat Bastard Crews, how many people are doing it and getting away with it? Let me know in the comments, please. Yeah, so here we go. This is what it looks like on the van. Found myself a nice little car boot sale find. Stainless steel number plates around. You only normally see the plastic cheap eBay ones. I think this is like a vintagey one. That'll work. Lovely. I got me some vintage aluminium pressed plates for the T4. I know you're not supposed to have them on vehicles over a certain age, but I see a lot of people with them. Anyone can answer me in the comments. Is anyone running these on a car without getting pulled? I think these would work a lot better with this stainless steel. I normally just put these on for shows, but I'm thinking about just running them. What do you reckon, people? There you have it. Not bad if I do say so myself. Black plate, chrome surround. Happy days. The sun would let me see it. I put the front plate on as well. Black plate. Much better. Yes.